When you are overweight, you also have to deal with other concerns. You will spend most of your time pursuing doctors, not to mention the risk of contracting other health problems. Obese people are at increased risk for cancer, heart disease, arthritis, and stroke, among other diseases. It also drains your confidence. The fact that you can't put your clothes on and look at yourself in the mirror and then feel confident about what you see in the mirror can drain your energy. But that's only part of the problem. Once you've gained weight, losing it is another problem. The most common weight loss methods, such as dieting and exercising, just don't work. It is in this context that Mike Banners created the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. According to the author, this blend of special ingredients will flatten your stomach in no time. But does the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? Will it help you burn fat and achieve the dream shape of body that you have since longed for? In this Okinawa Flat Belly review, I will lay out all the important information you need to know in deciding whether to buy the program or not. Please make sure you watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video, I will show you the best place to get it at the cheapest possible price. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is your best fat decimator and is based on a unique blend of healthy foods and berries. This blend was sourced from a Japanese island called Okinawa, and not only does it help you break down your stubborn fats, but it also maintains healthy levels of blood cholesterol, blood pressure, and even blood sugar markers. In the guide, you will learn about tonic recipes and other helpful strategies that improve sleep, eliminate joint pain, and even improve libido. How does the Okinawan flat stomach toning system work? The book is about a special drink mix that will melt fat in no time. According to the program, what causes the weight gain is not overeating or lack of exercise, but a C-reactive protein found in your system. This protein molecule affects the functioning of the mitochondria, which leads to the disconnection of the hormone responsible for metabolic activity. The accumulation of fat continues almost at the right time. The bulkier it becomes, the higher its CRP count. The fact that your mitochondria do not break down the food you eat means that it will not be metabolized for energy. Instead, the food you eat will be stored in your body as fat, leading to weight gain. The tonic that you will find from this guide not only increases your metabolism levels, but also improves your energy levels. It does this by activating adiponectin, plus it takes care of CRP, which further enhances your weight loss. The net result is that you will enjoy better health and reduce the risks of disease. Plus, you get other health benefits from this program, including tips for improving your health. All the ingredients the author recommends in this program are natural and have no dangerous side effects. What do you learn in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Well, the author reveals the superfoods you need to eat to prevent weight gain and promote weight loss. According to the author, as long as you eat these foods, you will not gain weight. In this program, you will find the most effective fat-burning recipes that do all the work without you doing anything. This will turn your body into a constant fat-burning machine throughout the day. In addition, you will know a revolutionary method to triple your daily energy. There are also many tips for improving sleep in the guide, and these encourage your body to burn even more fat. Lastly, you will also learn how to improve your sex life and drive so that you can better satisfy your partner. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic benefits. Quick weight loss results. You will be impressed by how fast the program is to help you lose weight. Also, it is not demanding and does not ask you to do tedious exercises that can put you at risk of injury. To lose weight, you just need to add this tonic to your food and drink, and you are good to go. You will feel more energetic. The other thing this tonic does to your body is that it increases your energy. It does this by activating metabolic activity that results in increased energy. This means that the nutrients you consume will be used to release energy. Money back guarantee. The purchase of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic does not put your money at risk thanks to a strong refund policy that the author has implemented. If it doesn't help you shred those belly fats, you just need to ask for your money back. The author only accepts your money if the program works for you. Now, if you want to get Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic at the cheapest possible price, Then click the link below this YouTube video in the description and you will be taken to the best place to purchase it.